How to do and where to find this viral Add Yours sticker. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So for those who don't know what this sticker means, it means everything but you in your gallery. So you have to add some photos to your sticker, to your story, but not with you. So let's show you how you can do it. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get here, you will have to go to April Add Yours at highlight, which is here. If you go to my story, then you have to know that the story will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. So it's best to go at April Add Yours at highlights. If the highlights are not loading, don't worry, because I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below, so you can check that if you have problems with that. Now click on the Add Yours button. And also, if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. So now we just have to go to our gallery and choose our first photo. But remember, a photo not with us. First, I will go with this one. You can place it where you want, make it bigger or smaller. And now to add a second photo, we have to click on stickers from the top of the screen, scroll down and click on this plus icon, and it will get you once again to your gallery. And you can choose your second photo. I will go with this one. And now if you want to add a third photo or a fourth photo, you have to do the same steps. Go to stickers, click on the plus icon and add another photo. But I will leave it just like this. Now to bring the sticker to the top, you just have to click on it. Just like this. And now you can share this story with your friends. So guys, if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting daily content like this. You can also comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.